Because our love is coming from Allah, so it's unlimited love. But today the love word is contaminated. Usually the love word is speaking between the boyfriends and girlfriends. And the love between the boyfriends and girlfriends cannot be love actually, because it's haram. And the haram relation, Allah will never give the love. And actually it's not a love, it is just a lust. It's just to fulfill their sexual desires. The boyfriend, he wants to get his pleasure, his desires from the girlfriend. And girlfriend wants to have her desires, pleasure, haram pleasure from the boy. They enjoy that by talking to each other, by touching to each other, by kissing to each other, by hugging to each other, and then finally by committing the intercourse between each other. And the verse number 14, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَهُوَ الْغَفُورُ الْوَدُودُ. And He, Allah, is Al-Ghafur and He is Al-Wadud. And Allah is Al-Ghafur, the forgiving, and Allah is Al-Wadud. And that is the topic for tonight, that Allah said in the Quran that He, Allah, is Al-Wadud. He is the love. Usually when we heard about some Christian missionaries, or the priest and pastor, they always talk about God is love, God is love, God is love. And they try to attract people that the God they are calling upon, it's very loving. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling that He is love, He is Al-Wadud. Not just He is the love, He is the originates. Every love is originated from Him. He is the source of all love. All the love comes from Allah. The animals, the beasts, those animals who are even attacking the human beings, but they are loving to their children. They love too much to their children. Sometimes the animals, they try to protect their children and they give their own life to protect their children. So where these animals are getting love for their children? How we get the love in our hearts for our children? So the love is from Allah, and Allah is full of love. And only the true love it is which is from Allah. If there is no love from Allah, and that is not love, that is just business. So true love is coming from Allah only. And Allah is the source of all the love. And He Himself is the most loving. He is Al-Wadud. He is the most loving. He is love Himself. And He is the origin of all the love. But today in the world love is contaminated. Today the word love is contaminated. So I must talk about this today, to bring this message to every Muslim in the world, that we are commanded by Allah to love every day of our life. Hindi yung mahal natin na isang araw sa isang buwan, isang taon, hindi sa Islam ganun. Sa Islam, mahal araw-araw. We should love every day. Those people who are limiting their love, so they make love once a year or some days in the year. They make some special days for the Father Day and the Mother Day and Sister's Day. Why? Because they want to limit their love. We love our mothers, our loved ones every day. We love our mothers, our wives, our children every day. We don't want to make one day in a year. Hindi isang araw sa isang taon. Araw-araw. We love our loved ones every day. Because our love is coming from Allah, so it's unlimited love. But today the love word is contaminated. Usually the love word is speaking between the boyfriends and girlfriends. And the love between the boyfriends and girlfriends cannot be love actually, because it's haram. And the haram relation, Allah will never give the love. Allah will give the love for the halal relation. The relation between husband and wife, relation between the mother and children, relation between the father and children, relation between the brothers, relation between the brothers, relation between the sisters, relation between the brothers and sisters. All the halal relation, Allah will give the true love. But for haram relation, it's not a love. And actually it's not a love, it is just a lust. It's just to fulfill their sexual desires. The boyfriend, he wants to get his pleasure, his desires from the girlfriend. And girlfriend wants to have her desires, pleasure, haram pleasure from the boy. They enjoy that by talking to each other, by touching to each other, by kissing to each other, by hugging to each other, and then finally by committing the intercourse between each other. And after that, there are lots of problems will come. After the boyfriend will have a sexual relation with the girl, most of the time he run away. Most of the time he change his mind. And then what happened now? The girlfriend, she is pregnant. What she will do now? She have another two choices. Either she will abort the child to murder, or either she will become a single mom. How many single moms in the Philippines? Millions. Millions of single moms in the Philippines. And most of the women get most of the women, they become single mom February 14. Many become single mom after that. Because of every year February 14, after that they got pregnant. And if they are murderers, they will go to where they will go? Quiapo Church. Bakit Quiapo Church? They will buy medicine para sa laglag. Abortion medicine, abortion pills, they'll buy in the Quiapo Church. Para laglag na yung bata. Because the number one place you buy the medicine, yung gamot para sa laglag, doon sa Quiapo Church. Black Nazareth Church. They will go there, buy. After Valentine's Day, after the Christmas Day, and after some other days, when the woman get pregnant, and if she don't like to have a pregnancy, she don't like to become a single mom, she will murder the child. That's why it's haram in Islam to have a relation between the boy and a girl, man and a woman without marriage. Because there is no planning. Once they are married, they know what is to do. Because they are husband and wife. They know how to take care of the child. But once they are just boyfriend and girlfriend, there is no planning. So either they are going to murder the child. In case the boyfriend doesn't want to marry anymore, so woman will have a big problem. She will going to have a child without father, or she is going to have a murder her child. How many abortions in Philippines every year? Millions. And how many single moms in the Philippines every year? Millions. And what are the reasons? The bad relations. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Valentine's Day, Christmas Day, New Year's, etc. These are the days when they are committing zina, the haram, the sin, and they get this curse. You can go and check the statistics. Millions of abortion and millions of single mom. How much more before in Philippines, if child is born without marriage, no birth certificate. But now there is birth certificate. Sa likod, sulat doon, he was born without father. So he will carry the family name of the grandfather from the mother. Maternal grandfather name will be given to him. Because his father ran away. Because the boyfriend ran away, so the father no more, not available. He left the child, if they let the woman without support, and she has to become a single mom. Try to go and check. One day you go to the one office and ask to the woman, are you married? She said, no. Do you have a child? Yes. Sabi, tanong mo, try to go around and try to make survey. Go to some places and try to, like Luneta, you go Luneta, you check the woman and ask how many women, and you will know the result. Check one woman, are you married? She said, no. You have children? Yes. Are you married? No. Children? Yes. And you will know how many women are children without marriage. Because they don't understand the deception. This relation of boyfriend and girlfriend is a deception. It's a cheating. Because boy want to pleasure, lust, and he want to fulfill his desires. And once he fulfill, he is not interested. Most of the time he is not interested. So the woman will be the one suffering much rest of the life. If she will make the abortion, she will have a curse. And if she will become a single mom, she will still have a curse. So this day of Valentine, it is not the day of love, because it is cannot be love, because it is haram. That is kasalanan. That is sin, zina, fornication. Do you think that Allah will give the love through fornication? Do you think that Allah will give the love through the haram relation? No. Allah is clean, and He loves those who are clean. Allah is good, and He loves those who are good. So when Allah makes something haram, He cannot give the love through that way. But if a man marry a woman, she is religious and the man is religious, and he marry a woman in the name of Allah. Kung isang lalaki kasal sa isang babae sa pangalan ng Allah, sa pamamaraan ng Islam, and they continue their life, then Allah will give them love. Then Allah will give the love in their hearts, and the love will always increase, and it will never decrease.